What you doing, Jeff?
I am cutting out a hole in the wall in our new camper.
In our new camper. I can't even believe I'm allowing this.
So that we can put in another window.
Because the girls' bunk, which is this area, has no window. So let's see what's in Keystone Cougar's wall. Sorry.
It's okay. No, going back.
Ta-da!
Styrofoam.
Bless you.
Next is cut through the styrofoam.
Yep.
See what's between the styrofoam and the wall, the outside wall, if there's anything.
Try to do it without cutting through the outside wall.
All right, time lapse. Are we ready for a big hole? Ah, it's gonna get wicked bright in here. Oh my goodness, look at that hole.
You didn't all stop sticking. Don't worry, it wasn't delaminated.
Okay, watch out. Back up before you get foam all through your hair and everything. Chloe, back up.
Hi, Chloe.
Hi.
I think you installed the window the wrong way. It's got a nice gap up above from the trim though.
Yep.
Now can you do that without dropping it?
Don't drop it.
It's an expensive window, don't drop it. Doesn't fit that way.
Doesn't fit.
Fits inside good.
Is it
Okay.
like two halves? You put one on
'Cause the
either
blade
side?
went at an angle.
Looks good, honey. It looks way better when you take that out of it. It's nice and flush and smooth like the rest of the windows. One new window.
Well, one window is in, but we think we should have some more. And we've got two windows. So here goes, cutting a second hole in the wall.
Another hole in the camper. Just fit. Well, that's good that this side is cut too small and not too big, because at first I was panicking.